Hi, here's a quick tip on how to optimize home internet bandwidth. So I have a 4G internet connection. The speed is roughly 50 to 100 megabits per second for download direction, and for upload it's something like 6, 7, 8 megabits per second maximum. But if I use the whole upload direction with like running a large file transfer towards offsite backup location, I can see quite high latency, which affects everyday usage of the internet connection. It's laggy, and the kids are complaining that the games are not working correctly, and so on and so on. So to tackle this problem, I decided to try out firewall policy with a scheduling configuration in place. So when the family is asleep, I have configured it so that the offload backup task can take up the full capacity of the internet connection from my file server towards offsite backup location from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. There is no traffic shaper in place, but during other hours of the day I have a 2.5 megabit traffic shaper configured. And if we take a look at the dashboard, here we can see it in action basically. Scale that back a little bit. Okay, so during nighttime it looks like this, and when clock hits 8 a.m. the firewall policy narrows down the maximum upload capacity being used by the offsite backup. And here we can see that in action. Latency drops to normal levels. It's like 25 to 40 milliseconds. So, as shown in my previous clip, applying traffic shaping policies is a great way to reduce latency and filling up your bandwidth. What I have done is configured this 2.5 megabit traffic shaper for upload direction, because that's the primary bottleneck. But there's also limitations on the download direction, and for the same firewall policy I have applied reverse shaper for the download direction of 25 megabits, and I will show you how to configure that. It might seem a little bit counterintuitive, but for the download direction you configure the reverse shaper, so that's for download direction on this firewall policy, and the upload direction is the shared shaper. And I did a big download operation last week from my offsite backup location, and here we can see the policy in action. So basically during nighttime it's full download capacity available, and during daytime it is restricted. If a regular Joe or a Joanne walks into a ISP operator store and complains about the latency or bandwidth issue with their internet connection, they will most definitely try to upsell you a more beefy internet connection and a new modem and whatnot. But instead of shooting the fly with a bazooka, a more efficient approach might be to perform optimization like this and be smart about it, and also save money on a yearly basis. Fairly basic firewalls can do the same kind of traffic shaping right out of the box. So my recommendation is to maybe use a feature like this instead of wasting money. So there's a little tip for you. Fairly basic, but something that you might have not considered. Stay tuned. Bye.